this video, let me check out how to find out the blacklist status of the device just by using the IMEI number. So it's very useful information to find out the blacklist status before you buy the second-hand phone. At the very beginning, let's enter the following website, IMEI.Info. The link will be also in the description. Here let's input the IMEI number of your device. So here I have my IMEI number. Let me go through the captcha protection. So let me select I am not a robot. And let's select all squares with the traffic lights. Tap verify. Use check button. Here you've got a couple of information about your device, some basic information, some information such as the memory, color, production date, iPhone age, the factory. And here you've got the free checks that you can use. So you can use the simple blacklist checker. Let me check out how to use it. So let's tap on blacklist check. Let's use check Apple phone details. As you can see, your order is processing, so wait for the report. Excellent. So as you can see, the blacklist status is clean. So in my case, this IMEI number wasn't reported as lost or stolen, so everything looks good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.